Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by assembling key documents and medications so you can move fast. Get prescriptions and the original bottles, plus a signed physician letter explaining medical need. This helps at security and customs. Once done, verify airline and country restrictions and allowable quantities. Make a short list of limits. Next, put at least 1 day's supply in your carry-on. Label items clearly. Make sure duplicates live separately, so you're ready if checked luggage is delayed. You now arrange medications for travel efficiency and safety. Keep controlled substances in original pharmacy bottles to avoid questions. For daily use, transfer non-controlled meds to a clear pill organizer and label each slot. Once organized, add a printed medication list with generic names and dosages, plus an emergency contact. Translate key lines into the destination language if possible. For temperature-sensitive meds, use an insulated case and frozen gel packs, and plan for customs or security. Finish by duplicating documents and spreading supplies so loss won't stop you. You should put originals and a spare set of meds in your carry-on, and copies plus extra in checked luggage. Upload scans to cloud for remote access. Once packed, confirm whether you must declare medications on arrival and note the local pharmacy and embassy contacts. If something goes wrong, lost meds or customs holds, use your translated prescription, physician letter, and local pharmacy contact to obtain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.